What kind of creature is this? What kind of creature is this, Tatay? Oh, and this one is kelp, right? This is kelp? No, I don't want to touch it. That's slimy. I don't want it. So I think I'm gonna bring you up there. Alas, si Sir Pusnoy in 4 minutes. May ano. Woo. Oh, shit. My goodness. Oh my God, iniputan yung aking bag. Oh. Do you want me to touch this one? Wait, just a minute. I'm gonna use this. This one. This one? No, they move, Tatay. Look. They move. Huh? Yeah. They move. Huh? What are these? They look like a baby scallops? Huh? I've never seen a live scallops. Oh. These are kelps. Oh. My other bag. Oh, the bird poop in this. Oh. Yeah, tingnan. So rough now. Ooh. Yeah. Look. Look here. So I'm going. Ate Emma. Ano ba yun sa iyo? Ooh. Let me go here. Here. I'll go take over that one. Oh, si Sir Pusnoy. Oh, see? Yeah. Seagulls and then yung oyster fetcher na ibon. Okay, here. Yes, they do. They do have Tatay.